Let's make a sentence. What do we need? What ingredients? There's 1, 2, 3. You need a subject, also called a noun. A person, place, or thing that the sentence is about. So maybe it's your mom, or maybe it's your house. Maybe it's a dog, scissors, maybe it's yourself. You need a verb, yeah, an action word. The subject's doing something, so let's make it heard. Maybe it's running, or maybe it eats. Maybe it cries, or it bleats like a sheep. Now 3. A sentence needs to be complete. Don't leave us hanging with a thought that's, now do you see? Tell the whole tale, don't spare a detail. Yeah, finish up your thought and you will not fail. So, those are the ingredients, put them in a bowl. Add a pinch of punctuation and a capital. Stir them all together, then you bake it 5 to 10. Finish up that sentence, then you do it all again. Let's make a sentence. What do we need? 3 ingredients. So get cooking. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Get cooking.